Hi, good afternoon, everybody. Yesterday, I spoke with our president, Mr. Val Konsunji, and he asked me to make a short video on how to compute your water bill manually. This won't take long, maybe 2 minutes. So let's continue. This slide that I'm showing now was the NWRB approved rates last February 16, 2022. So here you see that this is the graduated table that we are currently using in our office. So the significant change here was the increase. Uh, of course, the rates were increased, but how it was done before, the minimum was for the first 10 cubic meter. Now, the minimum has been changed from 10 to 5 cubic for a minimum charge of 166 and 50 centavos. Before, it used to be 205. For the succeeding rates, it's now 34.70, whereas before, it used to be only 21.50. So this is a sample bill of a house that I own. Only one person is living in it. So the procedure is for you to find the total consumption in cubic meters. This is done by deducting the previous reading from the current reading. In this case, 929 less 908 gives you 21 cubic meter for a total bill of 846.72. So how did we get there? This is a blow up of the rate from the previous slide. So as I mentioned, the first five will incur a minimum charge of 166 and 50. The next five will be multiplied by 34.70, 173.50. The next 10 would be multiplied by 37.60 to 376, and the remaining 1 cubic multiplied by 40 to bring a total of 21 cubic meter. Add everything. It's the base charge will be 756. 12% of that will be 90.72. Add it, 846.72. So that's basically how you compute it. And I hope this is helpful for you. Now, my suggestion is for you to double check your homes if there are any leakages. And if there are, maybe our office can help. You can close all your faucets and then check the meter if it's running or not. All the meters were calibrated last year and there shouldn't be any problem. So I hope this helps you in computing. And in case you want to double check your bill, you can visit the office during regular office hours. Thank you very much, everybody. Bye-bye.